Welcome back to the Adventures with the Average Joe, and I'm Joe. Today I'm going to be working on this Lion e-bike. The pedal here broke in half. I'll bring you in for a closer look. But alright, that's our project for today. What I'm going to do is remove both pedals because when you move the bike backwards, see how the pedals go with it? So I move it forward, the pedals don't move. Move it backwards, they move. So we're going to just take the pedals off. We don't ever use them. It should be a pretty easy job. Shouldn't take us too long. Enough procrastinating. Let's get busy and have some fun. Okay. I got a 14 millimeter socket and an 18 millimeter wrench. Should be all we need. Got the nut off. And the 18 millimeter wrench, I'm just sticking down behind here. And then I'm gonna, there you go. Then put the nut back on. Make sure it don't come off. Now the pedal's off, I can set it aside somewhere where I won't lose it. Let's go to the other side and get it done. This one still had a cap on it, this one didn't. I had to go get my trusty SOG key knife my brother gave me. I love this little thing. Oh, there's the cap. Might have to go from a different angle. Alright, pulling out the big guns now. There we go. Just had to get a little tension on it. Let's see if this one will be just as easy to pop off. It's coming, but it's taking a minute. It's rusted on there pretty good on this one. Woo! It come off with a vengeance! Let me go get that after I put this on. Put the nut back on so I don't lose it. There we go. That cap don't go back on. Okay, you see them squares in there? That's why I had to pound them off. They're rusty and they were on there pretty good. But you see how that pedal broke? That was jabbing into me. Because when you push it backwards, the pedals move. But when you push it forward, they don't. So that was swinging into my cap. But I'm going to set these aside. And I think that's going to be about it. It wasn't a whole lot of work. It's a short video today. But yeah, I used a 14mm socket for the nut and an 18mm wrench to get behind it for a wedge. And then I just tapped it with the socket wrench. Worked awesome. But that's a little life hack for you. Until next time, everybody, like, subscribe, hit the notification, maybe hit a thanks button or join the channel. If not, I still appreciate your help, appreciate your views. Thank you very much. Have yourself a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Goodbye, everybody.